In this video we are answering the question, what is an ionic bond? Well, an ionic bond is not an iconic bond, which quite a lot of people write about in exams. Sean Connery is the most iconic bond, but that's not going to help you in your GCSEs. Ionic bonds are bonds that form between metals and non-metals. So here's an example. We've got sodium and fluorine. Now if I put the electrons into the energy levels for sodium, we can see that sodium has 11 electrons and it has 1 in its outer energy level. Fluorine is an example of a non-metal, and in this case it has 9 electrons and 7 in its outer energy level. Now ionic bonds form when metals give away electrons from their outer shell to non-metals that have gaps in theirs. So you can see sodium has got just 1 electron in its outer energy level. Fluorine has got 1 gap, if you like, to stop it from having a full energy level. So what happens is, whoa, look at that, incredible. The electron in the outer energy level of the metal gets donated to the non-metal, and now both sodium and fluorine have full outer energy levels, and so they're both a bit more stable. Now if I just show that again, watch what happens to the overall charge of both atoms as the electron moves. So here goes the electron, and we see that because the metal has lost an electron but still has the same number of protons, its overall charge becomes positive. So 11 positives, 10 negatives, overall it's positive. Over on the other side we see that fluorine now still has 9 protons, but it's gained an electron, so it has more negative charge than positive charge. So overall it has a -1 charge. Now if we know anything about opposites in science, we know that opposite charges attract, like this. Woohoo! And that right there, my friends, is an ionic bond. An ionic bond is the electrostatic attraction between 2 oppositely charged ions. And if we want to pull apart these 2 ions, it's going to take energy to do it. So we've formed a strong chemical bond between a positive metal ion and a negative non-metal ion. At this point, I would suggest you quickly make a flashcard summing up the key points of what a ionic bond is, do it from memory, and then come back and watch a video on what are giant ionic lattices. Hope that helps.